Hey, welcome back. Today I will teach you how to install a Kali Linux VM on Windows. The first thing to do is to go to the first link in the description. This is to install VirtualBox if you haven't already got it installed. Choose the platform you are on to download the file and then follow the installation process. Now go to the second link in the description. As you can see, there is an option for virtual machines. However, this option doesn't provide you with a desktop. We will need to choose installer images. Now scroll down and choose installer. This will now download the ISO file. As you can see, we have now finished downloading the ISO file. Now open VirtualBox. If you have just installed VirtualBox, you won't see any existing virtual machines. Click New to create a new virtual machine. Name the VM. Now choose the ISO image we downloaded. Set the memory and processors to something suitable. Now choose the max size of the disk. This won't use the full size, it's just the maximum the disk can expand to. Now click Finish. Before starting the VM, make sure all the settings are suitable. I will increase the video memory. Now start the VM. You should see this page. Choose Graphical Install. Choose your language and region. Enter a name for this device. It won't make any difference on the default NAT network. Now make up a random domain. Once again, it won't make any difference. Now you will need to set your name. Now create a username and password. Now choose Use Entire Disk. Now click Continue. Keep the default for these next steps. Now choose Yes to writing the changes to disk. Choose which components to install. We want the desktop and also the pre-installed apps. This installation process may take a while. Now choose Yes to installing Grub. Choose the VirtualBox hard disk. As you can see, we are now booting into Kali Linux. Enter the username and password you set earlier. As you can see, we are now up and running with Kali Linux. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please like this video and consider subscribing. Bye.